Ever struggled with slow boil times and wasted fuel while cooking outdoors? The Optimus clip-on windscreen promises to change that by making your stove more efficient and reliable, even in windy conditions. If you're tired of watching your gas burn away without cooking your meal, this lightweight accessory is worth a look. What makes the Optimus windscreen stand out? It's crafted from durable, hard anodized aluminum, so it's built to last through countless trips. Its clip-on design fits securely around most gas canisters, whether you're using isobutane or IsoPro canisters, and fits ports up to 5 inches in diameter. That means you can trust it to stay put while you cook, no matter where you are. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of pots, including high-profile heat exchanger pots, making it versatile for all your outdoor cooking needs. Packing it is a breeze, especially if you use the Optimus Terra Weekend Heat Pot, as the windscreen fits neatly around it, saving space in your backpack. Using this windscreen means quicker boil times, which directly translates to less fuel consumption. That's a win for your wallet and the environment. Campers who've tested it report excellent quality and functionality, praising how easily it clips onto common canisters. While it's not a perfect fit for 1-pound propane bottles, most users find a simple foil shield or adapter solves that issue. If you want to get the most out of your canister stove, this windscreen is a smart upgrade that delivers real results without adding bulk. If you're serious about efficient outdoor cooking and want to reduce your fuel use while speeding up meal prep, the Optimus clip-on windscreen is a solid choice. It's lightweight, durable, and designed to fit seamlessly with your gear. Try it when you're ready to make your next camping or backpacking trip easier and more enjoyable.